You've probably used this one, but this is just one of them. In 2026, there are dozens of AI models. They've all got weird names, and everyone online keeps screaming about which one is best. So let's fix that. Here's every AI model that actually matters and what each one is secretly good at. Real quick, what even is an AI model? Basically, it's a giant digital brain that read almost the entire internet. Every website, every book, every Reddit argument. And it learned one weird superpower, guessing the next word. That's the secret. It's autocomplete that read way too much and now sounds smart. Stack billions of those tiny guesses together and it can write, code, draw, even talk. Those brain cells are called parameters. More parameters usually means smarter and way hungrier for computer power. Cool. Now let's meet the fighters. Model number 1, GPT, made by OpenAI. This is the one that kicked off the whole circus back in 2022. It's the popular kid. When your mom says go ask the AI, she means this guy. It's a jack of all trades, writing, coding, answering random questions, making images, even video with its buddy Sora. Best at being the reliable default that just works. It's basically the Toyota Corolla of AI. Model 2, Claude, made by a company called Anthropic. Claude is the honor student of the group. It's obsessed with being helpful, honest, and not evil, and it's an absolute monster at writing and coding. Programmers kind of adopted it. Ask it to build you an app and it'll cheerfully write the entire thing. Fun fact, a Claude model probably helped wrote this exact video. Hi. Best at long writing, coding, and being the responsible one at the party. Model 3, Gemini, by Google. This one already lives in stuff you use every day, your Android phone, Gmail, and search. Its superpower is memory. Gemini can read a whole book or a 2-hour video and still remember what happened on page 1.
Best at giant documents and being absolutely everywhere because, well, it's Google. Model 4, Grok, from Elon Musk's company XAI. Grok lives on X, the app formerly known as Twitter. Its entire personality is terminally online. It's sarcastic, it'll roast you, and it'll answer spicy stuff the polite AIs politely refuse. Think of it as the AI that spent a little too long scrolling the internet. Best at real-time takes on whatever's trending this second and comedic disrespect. Model 5, Llama, by Meta. Yeah, the Facebook people. Here's what makes Llama different. It's open. Most AIs you rent through a website. Llama? You can literally download the brain and run it on your own computer. No Wi-Fi, no subscription, no you've hit your daily limit. Just you and a llama in a box. Best at privacy, tinkering, and running your own AI without paying anybody. Model 6, DeepSeek, out of China. This one's the plot twist of the whole story. Everyone assumed you needed billions of dollars to build a top-tier AI. Then DeepSeek showed up, did it for pocket change, and gave it away, open for anyone to use. It was so cheap and so good that when it launched, some giant tech stocks actually dropped. One little model spooked the entire market. Best at being shockingly smart for basically free, especially at math and code. Okay, plot twist number 2. Not every AI model is a chatbot. Some of them don't type at all. Image models, like Midjourney and DALL, turn your words into pictures. Video models, like Sora and Google's Veo, do the same thing, except now it moves. And music models, like Suno, write full songs, lyrics, vocals, the whole thing from one sentence. Same core idea as the chatbots, a brain that learned from millions of examples. It just paints or sings instead of talking. So which one do you actually pick? Fast cheat sheet. Just want something that works? ChatGPT. Writing or coding a lot? Claude. Live in Google world with huge files? Gemini. Want spicy real-time takes? Grok. Want it free and private on your own PC? Llama or DeepSeek. Pictures, video, or music? Midjourney, Sora, or Suno. And honestly, they leapfrog each other every few months. Today's champion is next month's meme. By the way, if you want to see what actually runs these things, I made every GPU feature explained and every computer generation explained to show how we even got here. Go watch them later, okay? Now, go pick your fighter.